Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad 81MV. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that the screen on your Lenovo Ideapad 81MV flops backwards on its own, you're not alone. This common issue typically arises due to a faulty hinge that has lost its tension or become damaged. If left unaddressed, this problem can lead to further damage, potentially affecting the screen or internal components over time. To successfully replace the hinge, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a replacement hinge specific for the Lenovo Ideapad 81MV. Make sure to have a clean, static-free workspace to avoid any accidental damage to your device. To begin, ensure the laptop is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Carefully flip the Ideapad over and remove the screws from the bottom panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws organized, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the bottom panel, starting at one corner and working your way around. Take your time with this step to avoid cracking the casing. With the bottom panel removed, locate the faulty hinge. It should be easily identifiable as it connects the screen to the main body of the laptop. Carefully disconnect any cables that may be obstructing access to the hinge. When you can see the hinge, unscrew it from the chassis using the Phillips screwdriver. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the surrounding components. Once the old hinge is removed, take your replacement hinge and align it with the screw holes. Secure it in place by tightening the screws, ensuring it is firmly attached but not overly tight. Reconnect any cables you previously disconnected, making sure they are seated properly to avoid any connectivity issues. Now, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the bottom panel back onto the chassis and press down gently until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are securely fastened. Finally, flip your Ideapad back over and power it on to check if the screen functions correctly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, try to avoid excessive force when adjusting the screen position and keep the laptop in a safe place where it won't be knocked over. Regular maintenance checks can also help identify potential issues before they become serious problems. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.